It's May 1st, which is May Day, which is also Fun Friday. And after you do this, you can watch your Fun Friday video. But remember, before you do that, you're going to want to write your letter to our student of the week, who is Ridwan this week. So please be sure to write that letter. Thank you, all of you who wrote your letters to Dulce and put them in your envelope and mailed them to me. I got 7 letters for Dulce, and I'd like to get 7 or more for Ridwan. All right, your partner play today is about landforms again, canyons and plateaus. And as you read this by yourself or with your partner, you will learn more about what canyons and plateaus are. Read it once or twice, even 3 times by yourself or with a partner. Next, you are going to have just a little review. It says grammar test, but it's just reviewing what you've learned about using the adjectives that compare 2 or more things. So what you're doing is you're deciding if you're comparing 2 things where you would use or more than 2 things where you would use est. So number 1, Aiden can run faster than Tom. So we're comparing just 2 people. So that would be the er, faster. If it said more than 2 people, then you would say est, fastest. Okay, number 2, that tree is the taller or tallest tree in the forest. Have you ever been to a forest? There are more than 2 trees in the forest, right? And so you're comparing more than 2 things. So it's not going to be taller, it's going to be tallest. Okay, I'd like you to continue this by yourself and finish those adjective answers, whether it's er or est, when you're comparing 2 things or more than 2 things. Then the last part of it is you're writing some sentences. You're going to write a sentence for small, you're going to write a sentence for smaller, and you're going to write a sentence for smallest. Remember that you are going to be comparing 2 things with smaller, and you're going to be comparing 3 or more things with smallest. The last thing that you're doing today is you can go back to the Astronaut Handbook story that you listened to 2 days ago, and you can listen to it again. You can also read it in your learning pages from Wednesday, and then you're going to answer these questions about the story. First, you are going to read questions that ask you about the vocabulary for the Astronaut Handbook. So you're going to, this first one, read the dictionary entry below. Adjective, serious. Adjective, having great meaning or value. Which of the following words is defined above? Which one means serious or having great meaning or value? Think back to your little drawings that you made this week and your Freyr square. If you chose one of these words, and think if those definitions fit one of these words. Then you're going to go on and do number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 for your vocabulary. And then go on to your comprehension questions. There are 5 questions about the Astronaut Handbook. Answer those questions. I would love it if you would send me pictures of those in Class Dojo, or your parents can text me too. They all have my phone number. I would love to see your answers. And then I will see you at our Fun Friday activity. Remember to write to Ridwan and put it in his letter in the envelope and mail it. Thank you.